Hey everyone, want to search your browser bookmarks with ueli? Instead of opening your browser and browsing through bookmark folders, ueli lets you search and launch saved bookmarks directly from its search bar. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to search bookmarks with ueli step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure ueli is running on your computer. If it isn't already open, launch it from the Start menu. Once it's running, you'll usually see its icon in the Windows System tray. Next, open Settings and navigate to the Extensions section. Make sure the Browser Bookmarks extension is enabled. This allows ueli to index bookmarks from supported web browsers. Press the global keyboard shortcut to open the launcher. The default shortcut is usually Alt+space, but you can customize it if needed. Start typing the name of a saved bookmark or part of a website's title. ueli instantly searches your indexed bookmarks and displays matching results as you type. Use the arrow keys if multiple results appear, then press Enter to open the selected bookmark in your default web browser. This lets you access your favorite websites much faster. If recently added bookmarks don't appear, refresh the extension or restart ueli so it can update its bookmark database. After refreshing, your newest bookmarks should become searchable. And that's how to search bookmarks with ueli. By enabling the bookmark extension and using the search bar, you can quickly open your favorite websites without manually browsing through your browser's bookmark folders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.